Hello everyone, in this video, we'll be looking at some key words and phrases from A Knight's Tale. These expressions will help you not only enjoy the show more, but also improve your Turkish. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and show some love. Let's get started.
Bakma bana. Bakma bana.
Means don't look at me.
Bakma,
This is the negative imperative form of the verb,
bakmak,
which means to look. And the suffix ma is used to negate the verb in imperative form, making it don't look.
Bana.
This is the dative form of the pronoun. Ben means I, which means to me. In this case, it indicates the direction of the action. Look towards the speaker.
bakma bana. Bakma bana.
Sen kimsin? Sen kimsin?
Means who are you? San. This means you in Turkish. It's used when addressing someone directly and informally. Kim? The question word for who. Sin. A suffix used for second-person singular, you, which adds the meaning of are.
Sen kimsin? Sen kimsin?
Sanane, yaklaşma. Sanane, yaklaşma.
Means none of your business, don't come closer.
Sanane,
This is a combination of
sana,
which means to you, and
ne,
means what, and it basically means what is it to you, or none of your business.
yaklaşma.
This comes from the root word,
Yaklaş,
which means come closer, with the negative suffix ma, which means don't come closer.
sanane, yaklaşma. Sanane, yaklaşma.
Vur. Vur.
Means shoot.
Vur,
This is the imperative form of the verb,
vurmak,
which means to hit or to shoot. In this context, it means shoot.
Vur. Vur. Ne yapıyorsun sen be? Ne yapıyorsun sen be?
Means what are you doing, huh? Or what on earth are you doing?
ne yapıyorsun?
This is a contracted form of,
Ne yapıyorsun?
meaning what are you doing?
Ne
Means what?
yapıyorsun?
Means you're doing from the verb,
Yapmak,
which means to do or to make.
sen,
The pronoun you, used here for emphasis.
be. Ne yapıyorsun sen be?
An informal particle often added to express surprise, emphasis, or frustration, similar to saying hey or man in English.
Ne yapıyorsun sen be? Ne yapıyorsun sen be?
Ne yaptım ben? Ne yaptım ben?
Means what did I do?
Ne yaptım?
This is a contracted form of,
Ne yaptım?
meaning what did I do?
Ne
Means what?
yaptım?
I did. This comes from the verb,
Yapmak,
to do, in the past tense, meaning I did.
ben,
It adds emphasis to the sentence.
Ne yaptım ben? Ne yaptım ben?
Dur! Kaçma! Dur! Kaçma!
Means stop, don't run away.
Dur.
The imperative form of the verb to stop, meaning stop.
Kaçma.
The negative imperative form of the verb
Kaçmak.
means to run away or to escape. Ma, a suffix that negates the verb, making it don't run away.
Dur! Kaçma! Dur! Kaçma!
Kaçmış. Kaçmış.
Means it seems he, she, or it ran away, or apparently he, she, or it escaped.
Kaçmış.
This is the past perfect tense of the verb,
Kaçmak.
which means to escape or to run away. The suffix
Mış.
indicates that the speaker is reporting something they have heard or found out, rather than directly witnessing it. It's often used in Turkish when someone realizes or hears about something after it has happened.
Kaçmış. Kaçmış. Bulucam seni! Bulucam seni!
Means I'll find you.
Bulucam.
This is an informal and contracted form of,
Bulacağım.
which means I will find. It uses the future tense and is often shortened in everyday speech.
Seni.
This means you, referring to the person being addressed. So,
Bulacağım seni.
is a determined and intense way of saying, I will find you. It's typically used in situations where someone is committed to tracking down another person.
Bulucam seni! Bulucam seni!
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It really helps my channel get noticed by the YouTube algorithm. Your support directly helps me create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future videos. See you in the next one.